In a market obsessed with the next splash, truly undervalued growth gems often go unnoticed, especially those trading for less than $10. Today, we're diving deep into 6 such companies poised for explosive upside. Stick around until the very end, because I'll present a critical side-by-side data comparison that could define your next big win. First up, we have Melco Resorts and Entertainment Limited, ticker MLCO, a Hong Kong-based powerhouse in casino gaming and resort facilities, rapidly solidifying its post-pandemic comeback. This company is a formidable force in Macau, the Philippines, and Cyprus, with a recent operational recovery that's nothing short of spectacular. In Q2 2025, group-wide adjusted property EBITDA surged by a phenomenal 25% year-over-year to $378 million, and this momentum only accelerated in Q3. Revenue soared by an impressive 15.5% to $5.06 billion, propelling the company into profitability with an EPS of $0.26. Macau operations are truly shining, hitting a near-record 29.2% property EBITDA margin, driven by all-time high mass market demand at City of Dreams and Studio City. The triumphant relaunch of the House of Dancing Water show has dramatically boosted visitation, hitting record levels. While a $7.35 billion debt burden presents a challenge, Melco is aggressively deleveraging, having repaid debt and early redeemed senior notes. Analysts are taking notice, with Citi upgrading Melco to a buy with an $11 price target. Investing Pro's fair value estimate of $11.83 suggests a compelling 36% upside, making MLCO a powerful rebound play with significant growth catalysts as global tourism fully recovers. Next on our list is Recursion Pharmaceuticals, Inc., ticker RXRX, a Utah-based clinical-stage tech bio company revolutionizing drug discovery through the potent combination of AI and machine learning. This company is not just talking about AI, it's deploying it with its proprietary Recursion OS platform and BioHive 2, one of the fastest supercomputers in pharma, accelerating drug development from target ID to IND in under 18 months, a fraction of the industry standard. Recursion has forged strategic alliances with giants like Roche Genentech, a potential $12 billion plus partnership, NVIDIA, Sanofi, Bayer, and Merck KGaA, validating its platform and securing non-dilutive funding. As of October 2025, Recursion boasts a robust $785 million cash position, providing a runway through 2027. Recent Phase 1b2 Tupelo trial results for REC4 881 in familial adenomatous polyposis showed incredible promise, with 75% of patients demonstrating polyp burden reductions. This breakthrough led JP Morgan to upgrade Recursion to overweight with an $11 price target, projecting potential peak sales exceeding $1 billion. While Q3 2025 saw a revenue miss and the company operates with quarterly losses typical of clinical-stage biotech, its unique AI-driven approach, strong partnerships, and promising pipeline position RXRX as an explosive disruptor in the pharmaceutical landscape. Our third pick is CCC Intelligent Solutions Holdings Inc., ticker CCC, an Illinois-based SaaS company that is quietly dominating the property and casualty insurance economy. This AI-powered platform seamlessly connects insurers, repairers, and parts suppliers, turning crucial moments into intelligent experiences. CCC recently delivered stellar Q2 2025 results, with revenue climbing 12% year-over-year to $260.5 million, handily beating guidance, a remarkable feat given an 8% drop in claims volume. This resilience is underpinned by its rock-solid business model, 80% subscription-based revenue, a staggering 99% gross dollar retention, and 107% net dollar retention, showcasing unparalleled customer loyalty. Crucially, multiple top insurers are now transitioning from pilot phases to broad rollouts of CCC's AI-enabled solutions, signaling imminent revenue acceleration. The company's casualty platform is a massive untapped growth engine, with management projecting it could eventually rival its auto physical damage business. The acquisition of Evolution IQ promises an additional 2% incremental growth next year through cross-selling. Despite current valuation multiples and declining claims, CCC is aggressively repurchasing shares with a new $500 million program and targets 100 basis points of annual margin expansion. This fundamentally strong SaaS leader offers compelling long-term upside through its indispensable AI technology and expanding market penetration. Next up, Peloton Interactive, Inc., ticker PTON. The New York-based connected fitness pioneer undergoing a powerful transformation. After navigating a challenging post-pandemic market, Peloton reported its first quarterly profit in Q4 2025 and has sustained positive adjusted EBITDA for 5 consecutive quarters. Q1 FY 2026 results exceeded expectations with an EPS of $0.03 and revenue of $551 million, prompting management to raise its full-year adjusted EBITDA guidance to $425 to $475 million and its free cash flow target to at least $250 million. Peloton's strategic pivot extends beyond its core bike business, embracing a broader wellness platform with initiatives like the Cross-Training Series, Pro Series equipment, and the innovative AI-powered Peloton IQ coaching system. They've also expanded into mental fitness via the Breathwork acquisition and partnered with healthcare providers, diversifying revenue streams. While a recent Bike Plus recall and a shrinking connected fitness subscriber base remain hurdles, Peloton has dramatically improved its balance sheet, with net debt down 49% year-over-year. Analysts like Wolfe Research are forecasting a robust $503 million in FY26 EBITDA, citing strong cost reductions and margin expansion. With stabilizing consumer interest, product innovation, and significant deleveraging, Peloton is rapidly emerging as a compelling comeback story, transitioning to sustainable profitability and growth. Our fifth pick is VinFast Auto Limited, ticker VFS, the Vietnamese electric vehicle manufacturer making significant waves in the global EV market. VinFast has demonstrated explosive delivery growth, with Q3 2025 EV deliveries soaring by 74% year-over-year to 38,195 units, and a staggering 110,362 EVs delivered in the first 9 months of 2025, a 149% increase. Revenue surged by 47% year-over-year to $719 million in Q3 2025. This company isn't just selling cars. Its e-scooter business is experiencing exceptional growth, with Q3 2025 deliveries skyrocketing by 535% year-over-year, driven by new Vietnamese policies restricting gasoline motorbikes. VinFast commands a dominant position in its home market, being the first Vietnamese automaker to surpass 100,000 vehicle sales within the first 3 quarters of 2025. While the company reported a Q3 net loss of $953 million and a negative gross margin of 56.2%, which are typical for high-growth, capital-intensive EV startups, it benefits from strong financial backing. Its parent company, Vingroup, and founder Pham Nhat Vuong have committed up to $2 billion in grants, providing ample liquidity of $3.7 billion to fuel operations through 2027. With a new vehicle platform targeting 70 to 80% of sales by 2026 and international expansion into Asian markets, VinFast represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity in the rapidly expanding global EV sector. Finally, Aurora Innovation, Incorporated, ticker AUR, a Pennsylvania-based self-driving technology company leading the charge in autonomous trucking. Aurora is not just developing technology, it's commercializing it, having successfully launched driverless operations on 2 critical Texas routes and achieving over 100,000 driverless miles with a flawless safety record and 100% on-time delivery. Their proprietary First Light LiDAR system, capable of detecting objects at an incredible 1,000 meters, provides a crucial safety advantage. Despite Q3 2025 operating losses of $222 million on just $1 million in revenue, typical for a pre-profit, R&D-heavy tech company, Aurora maintains a robust $1.6 billion in liquidity, projected to fund operations into the second half of 2027. The company is rapidly scaling, with plans to deploy hundreds of driverless trucks by late 2026. A second-generation hardware kit, due in Q2 2026, promises over 50% cost reductions and a million-mile durability. Strategic partnerships with automotive giants like Volvo and Packard, and logistics leaders such as Werner and FedEx, solidify its ecosystem. While profitability is still a few years out, projected late 2026 or early 2027, Aurora is a pioneering force positioned to revolutionize the $800 billion trucking industry, making it an incredibly compelling, albeit speculative, long-term growth play. Now let's take a quick look at the numbers. Starting with current prices, we have a tight range, from VinFast at a lean $3.35 to CCC Intelligent Solutions nearing $8 at $7.89. Market capitalization varies wildly, reflecting different stages of development. VinFast and Aurora are the largest in terms of market cap at $7.84 billion and $8.55 billion respectively. On the other end, Melco and Peloton are around $2.4 to $2.5 billion, while Recursion sits at $2.41 billion. Revenue figures paint a stark picture of where these companies stand in their commercialization journey. Melco leads with a substantial $5.06 billion, showing its operational scale, followed by Peloton at $2.45 billion and VinFast at $2.55 billion. In contrast, Recursion Pharmaceuticals reports $43.68 million and Aurora a mere $2 million, highlighting their earlier stages of revenue generation but massive future potential. Gross margins tell us about operational efficiency. CCC Intelligent Solutions boasts an impressive 75.1%, indicating a highly profitable SaaS model. Peloton shows a healthy 50.8%, and Melco a respectable 36.3%. However, VinFast is grappling with a negative 53% gross margin, typical for a rapidly scaling EV manufacturer still building out infrastructure. Finally, earnings per share reveals current profitability. Only Melco is in the green with a positive 0.26 EPS, a strong indicator of its rebound. The rest are negative, as expected for high-growth, high-investment companies under $10. Recursion at minus 1.78, VinFast at minus 1.50, Aurora at minus 0.45, Peloton at minus 0.26, and CCC at a negligible minus 0.0045. So these are 6 powerful stocks under $10, each with serious growth potential for savvy investors. Which of these under $10 plays are you most excited about, and why? Drop your thoughts, insights, and predictions in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on 5 undervalued stocks with biggest upside potential.